Speaking of the consumer, let's get to Clorox. Stock is down nearly 20% since disclosing that cyber attack back in August. But today, D.A. Davidson does see some opportunity. They upgrade to buy. The firm says when the company does quantify the financial impact, that shares could rally. The analyst behind that call joins us this morning, Linda Bolton-Weiser of D.A. Davidson. Linda, thank you for the time. Great to see you. I was just trying to think about whether or not we've seen a cyber attack have broader impact on one company's operations and obviously market cap.
Yes, well, at least in my experience in my sector of consumer products, this has been kind of the most significant cyber attack that I've seen. And they haven't given a ton of details, but their wording in their filings has indicated it's pretty widespread across their operations, affecting their manufacturing facilities, as well as things like order processing.
Part of your view is that prior to the disclosure, things had been going okay. Is that right? How would you describe it?
Yes, especially through the end of April, the stock was up about 25% year to date. And I would say it came off a little bit after that, only because their gross margin improvement started to slow a little bit. But that's only because the pricing comparisons are getting a little less positive. But generally, they've had success in making price increases in the last year, 18 months, and their volume declines have been less than they anticipated. So their fundamentals prior to this attack were actually pretty good.
I was sort of surprised to read, Linda, that how much the cyber attack had affected, in your view, performance and operations, because it's not like they weren't outperforming P&G, for instance, were they? And the stock hasn't been that different.
My estimation, and they haven't given out any numbers yet, but my estimation in terms of actual impact on their operations is that their organic sales growth could be down 12% in the September quarter. And it was positive right up through when the impact of the cyber attack started. But the POS was down 5% in the 4 weeks ended September 10th. So we know that it was already starting to be affected. And certainly the POS, the point of sale, will be down well into the double digits, I would think, in the most recent 4-week period that we'll learn about pretty soon.
As for other risk factors, I know you mentioned what oil prices have done. You have some suggestions about the degree to which households are trading down or maybe getting more, a little more discerning on costs going into year end. How do those reflect in your call?
Well, actually, Clorox overall had been maintaining their market share pretty well prior to this attack, despite all the rounds of price increases. So it seems that consumers are valuing value, not just price. So with Clorox products, they're deemed to be higher quality. If you buy a cheaper garbage bag, but it breaks, that doesn't get you anywhere. So in that sense, consumers still appear to be looking for value, getting quality for their money. And it's not just all about price.